Rocket ready to meet the alphabet in the most fantastic way ever? Let's jump into the ABC adventure.
A is for apple, B is for ball, C
A is for apple, bite sound, juicy, crunchy, and the teacher's favorite snack.
is for fish, G is for goat, H is for hat.
B is for balloon. It goes up, up, up balloon until
K
pop.
is for kite, L is for lamp. M is for moon, N is
C is for cat, perfectly cute and always curious.
Q is for queen, R is for rain.
D is for dog, the tail wagging, face licking best friend.
For umbrella, V is for van, W is for whale, X is for xylophone.
E is for elephant, big ears, big heart, and an even bigger appetite.
Now you know your ABC. Sing again with me.
F is for fish, swimming, swishing, and blowing bubble kisses.
U is for yo-yo, Z is for zebra. Now you know your
G is for giraffe, the tallest animal with the longest snack reach. H is for hat, it keeps your head warm and your style cool. I is for ice cream, cold, creamy, and absolutely dreamy. J is for jelly, wobbly, jiggly, and giggle-worthy.
C is for cat, D is for doll. E is for egg,
K is for kite, flying high and dancing with the wind.
H is for hat. I is for ice cream, J is for jump.
L is for lion, the king of the jungle and the roar champion.
M is for moon, N is for net. O is for owl.
M is for monkey, swinging, chattering, and banana loving.
R is for rain, S is for sun, T is for train.
N is for nest, a cozy home for little feathered friends.
Is for whale, X is for xylophone. Y is for yo-yo, Z is for zebra.
O is for octopus, 8 arms for 8 times the hugs.
Again.
P is for penguin, the tuxedo-wearing ice skater of the animal world.
Z is for zebra. Now you know your ABC. Sing again with me.
Q is for queen, royal, regal, and rocking that crown. R is for rainbow, nature's way of showing off its crayons. S is for sun, the biggest, brightest smile in the sky. T is for turtle, slow, steady, and surprisingly adorable.
For apple, B is for ball, C is for cat, D is for doll.
U is for umbrella, your personal rain shield and style buddy.
Is for fish, G is for goat, H is for hat. I is
V is for
ice
violin,
cream, J
making
is
music
for
that
jump,
can make you dance or
K
dream.
is for kite, L is for lamp. M is for moon, N is for
W
net.
is for whale, the gentle giant that sings underwater lullabies.
Q is for queen, R is for rain, S is for sun,
X is
T
for xylophone, clink, clunk, clang, and music is born.
W is for whale, X is for xylophone. Y
is for yo-yo, up, down, just like my snack cravings.
Sing again with me.
is for zebra, rocking black and white stripes like a runway model. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye bye friends. See you again.